Hey YouTube, this is airflow foil. It's just a simple modification that you can do for your throttle body. Now the average gain I think is between 1 and 2 horsepower. The site that I bought this from off eBay claims it increases your airflow by 40 cmf, resulting in a 6 to 10 horsepower gain, or plus 8 to 13 foot-pounds of torque. If that's true or not, who knows, but it has been proven on dynos that you get about 1 to 2 horsepower for these. So each vehicle is different depending on your mods, but these work best with just a stock motor. At least that's what people say. So I got one. They're not really that expensive. I wouldn't pay the full price. I got this one on sale for end of the year, so can't wait to put it on. Alright guys, installing my new airfoil. What it does, it goes right in here. Let's see if I can set the camera somewhere at a good angle. Like the first video, or part 1 of this, claims, or at least the site claims, it gives anywhere from 6 to 8 or whatever horsepower. We'll see. I don't know if it will or not. Alright, now I gotta get a tool. That way. Alright guys, we got it on. Now let's see. See if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. Oh, there we go. And we're all done.